No. You can say hi. No. Wait, Azaria. Come on, you can say hi. Come on, say hi. Black rice.
Not allowed to cook rice anymore.
That would be Azaria. He's not allowed to cook rice anymore. Yeah, and Naomi, she's not allowed to cook rice anymore. That's There's no proof I did it. Do you smell anything on me? I don't smell. For burning a rice?
Yes.
That's What? At least we had a good fire drill. Yeah, that's why it was really good. It was well planned. You guys were in on it. And so I burnt the rice. What a waste of assets.
Next time,
Listen.
if there's an alarm or anything and you're in here, it's good everybody goes up there, goes out of the way. But we do need somebody down here to meet up with us.
Okay.
So we can say, hey, what's happening?
Moses.
Cool.
So that next time if one of you could actually be here,
Okay.
chat with us, but no cooking rice for you anymore.
Whoa! Hey! Thank you very much for coming. Thank you. All right, look, first course is ready. At least I didn't burn this one. What? Whoa. Can we spread it, please, and not dip it all in? Oh, that's disgusting. Who wants some burnt rice afterwards? You will be doing cooking program, yeah. Yes, I don't know what we're cooking this time. Eh? It's not bad. That's You're like, yes, it's bad.
It's like burnt popcorn on steroids.